Okay, so that's a cis and that's a trans isomer, and they're only found in unsaturated fats.
I don't get it!
Anjopa, why do you have a blank space right here?
Carbohydrates are your fuel. They're made up of monosaccharides. Dehydration, synthesis, means glycosidic linkages. Oh my god, look at that carb. I don't really wanna starve. Life's a game, wanna bond. Monosaccharides, typically shown as carbon rings. Disaccharides are made up of two of these. So hey, let's not divide. Let's be more than disaccharides. Starch, cellulose, and glycogen. We could be polysaccharides just for a weekend.
So they're made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Cellulose and starch are polysaccharides in plants. Carotid chain, glucose units, beta and alpha respectively. Cellulose can't be digested, and they're in cell walls. But starch with those spirals, it's used for storage too. Glycogen in humans is used to store that food. Carotid glucose units, they're turned into fat. Yeah, they're better suited for storage. They're long-term too.
Fats, oils, and waxes are examples of lipids. They don't have polymers. Don't forget they're hydrophobic, used for long-term energy. And they also keep in heat, acting as repository. Oh no, triglycerides formed by condensation reactions, made up of one glycerol and three fatty acids too. Oh my god, phospholipids, they make up the cell membrane. A type of steroid is cholesterol, but darling, too much of this can cause your downfall.
So they're made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Unsaturated fats have at least one double bond. Carotid chain hydrocarbons with a carboxyl group. 'Cause you know they can be cis or trans isomers, but they can be saturated. No double bonds here, but monounsaturated. There's only one double bond. Others have more than two. They're called polyunsaturated. Yeah, they're better suited for storage. They're long-term too. Our bodies need fats, but they're torture. Trans fats are the worst, I warn you. Our bodies need fats, but they're torture. Heart disease is the worst, I warn you. So they're made of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Cellulose and starch are polysaccharides in plants. Carotid chain glucose units, beta and alpha respectively. Cellulose can't be digested, and they're in cell walls. Lipids can be saturated, no double bonds here, but monounsaturated has only one double bond. Others have more than two. They're called polyunsaturated. Yeah, they're better suited for storage. They're long-term too.
I just took two.
You say okay, see, this is a cis and that's a trans isomer. That's only for like unsaturated fats or saturated fats. I don't really.
Oh my God.
This is a cis and that's a trans isomer, and that's only for unsaturated fats.
I don't get it!
You got a blank space, Angelica?
Okay, you're
Gotcha.
I thought, oh my god, look at that car.
Gotcha.
I thought, oh my god, look at that carb. I don't really want to starve. What was the last line?
So hey,
forgot.
divide.
We could be more than wait. Let's be more
They're
than
made of
disaccharide. Let's be
carbon.
more than hydrogen.
And oxygen. Oh, it
Okay.
See me?
This is a little too. You're a little too far from each other. Friend, can you get over here?
How about Angie starts here and Fran starts there and then I start there?
Okay.
That seems like it will make more sense because then now you have to circle all the way around.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so you're coming out this way, right?
Yeah.
Okay, action.
So they're made of carbon.
Hydrogen.
And oxygen. Are you gonna get me from this side or that
Action.
side?
Hold
They're
on.
made of carbon.
Hydrogen.
And oxygen.
Okay.
Cellulose.
And starch.
Are polysaccharides in
And
plants.
starch.
Are polysaccharides in plants.
Cellulose can be digested.
And they're in cell walls.
The spirals. Oh no! The spirals is used to store the food. No. Glycogen in humans is used to
Start.
starch with those spirals. Term energy.
And they also keep in heat, acting as a repository. Oh no.
Triglycerides.
Oh no.
Our bodies need fats, but they're torture.
Go.
Lipids can be saturated. No double bonds. She's moving.
Well, it's a video, duh. Stop scratching.
It's so itchy. Lipids can be saturated. No double bonds.